Kerala, the southern state of India, is popularly known as God's own country. The state is widely praised for its beautiful landscapes, amazing beaches, serene backwaters, and greenery. Kerala's beauty could be further appreciated through aerial photography, especially using drones. Looking at some of the drone footages, one would fall short of words to describe the feeling of awe. It is definitely one of those few places in the world blessed abundantly with beauty. Nature at its best. The recent coronavirus outbreak has significantly affected every nook and corner across the globe. India's first COVID-19 case was reported in Kerala in the month of January this year. Subsequently, the virus got spread all over the country as time progressed. The travel restrictions were imposed in various countries. Desperate lockdown measures were implemented across the country on 25th March.
जब तक देश में लॉकडाउन की स्थिति है, हमें अपना संकल्प निभाना है.
Right from the start, Kerala has been controlling the outbreak effectively. Of late, the social media has been praising Kerala for numerous reasons.
Seen Kerala fight virus cases like Nipah, Zika. They have been quite efficient.
A state which has seen one of the highest incidence of coronavirus cases, but also seen an extremely proactive administration that's battling the health emergency.
We are well equipped to deal with the situation. We have enough stocks of food grains and essential commodities, that is enough and more for more than 3 months.
Through the successful implementation of effective strategies in controlling the virus, the state has earned itself a tagline titled the Kerala Model. Being the first state in the country to have declared lockdown, Kerala went one step ahead in order to monitor the situation. The Cyberdome Department of Kerala Police felt that drone surveillance could be an effective control. They joined hands with drone associations and formed a surveillance team named Eagle Eye, consisting of around 350 drone operators. Around 500 police stations across the state are coordinating surveillance with the above said team. Interestingly, these drones have been able to control lockdown in both urban and rural locations. Through the use of drones, people involved in unnecessary travel and unwanted roaming in the streets can be caught. By the use of GPS, the police can reach those locations. However, the drone operators have a few concerns.